Disney, 8:30 at night. Warm, definitely warm. Halloween type stuff as well. Can't complain, this is pretty good. Disney's always special, but right now, nighttime, cannot complain. Really good, warm night, so we're not walking around with jumpers on. No jumper, just a t-shirt and a hat. Keep the head warm. I got no hair to keep me warm, so. But yeah, overall, this is good. I mean, it looks great. We're off to go do Guardians of the Galaxy, aren't we? Monsters Edition. We've been on the ride today. Oh. Now, we've already covered that this is probably my favourite ride, but also my worst ride. I hate it and I love it at the same time. But this ride, it just scares the shit out of you. There's no other way to put it. If there was a ride that I could hate any more than this one, I don't know what it could possibly be. It is just brutal, and they've turned it up, so the drops are bigger, the going up is even more, it's faster, it's harder, it bounces around even more, and we're about to find out what the monsters part, because they've already changed the actual ride, so the ride doesn't change, it's just the theming now where we get monsters when we hit the screens. And I'm still filming because I'm hoping that you're going to see the doors open, and at some point in time you're going to see the opposite, which is me up there looking outwards and screaming, because there's no doubt all I do on this is scream because it's horrible.
Hello, princess.
I'm being summoned. If there was a ride that I could avoid.
Attention! Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete.
Ha-ha! Gotcha! Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over! The cages are open and the creatures are loose! You gotta get out of here! Wait! Don't get out of here! I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about that. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Wave your arms. Thank you.
We do hope you've enjoyed our tour. Please gather your possessions.
done it. Hated it, but we done it. And it's definitely worse than normal. I mean, better than normal. That's full on this time. I think I'm sweating. So hate Guardians of the Galaxy ride, but love it at the same time.